Let's make these delicious protein cookies. Firstly, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Next, in a mixing bowl add 2 cups of almond flour with 4 tablespoons of xylitol and mix well. Now, add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Shape the cookie dough using your hands into circles. Place 1 vegan chocolate button inside each dough ball, or add chocolate chips. You can decorate the cookies with almonds or chocolate buttons. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and bake for about 15 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool and enjoy. Store in an airtight container. Yum!